True creativity isn't about forcing something into existence. It's about tuning in and becoming a channel for what is ready to emerge. Welcome to the Dream Factory Sound Sanctuary, a first-of-its-kind artist residency where musicians step away from the noise of everyday life and into stillness, free to immerse themselves fully in their creative process. Nestled in the high desert of Southern California, we provide artists with studio time, mentorship, and a peaceful, supportive space to dive into the alchemical process of bringing their vision to life. Each resident receives a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to customize their dream studio from an awe-inspiring collection of acoustic instruments, experimental sound design tools, hundreds of vintage and modern synthesizers, and more. Here, artists receive more than just studio time. They enter a transformative cocoon, immersed in an environment designed for deep listening and uninhibited creativity. The Dream Factory is a refuge for musicians ready to explore sound in its purest form. With your support, we can expand this vision, sponsoring artists, building new residency spaces, and ensuring the Dream Factory remains a sanctuary. Let's create a space where music can truly flourish. Together, we can make the Dream Factory a home for the future of sound.